Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Doobie-Doo Travels. I am Kim and welcome back. If you're new here, or if you've seen me before, if you're new, hello, my name is Kim. I love to cruise and I have a travel agency, Doobie-Doo Travels, and I love to go on cruises. So I'm going to show you one of the rooms that we have here on the President's Cruise on Utopia of the Seas. Come along with me and let's take a look. So as you walk in, there are actually birthday decorations. It's my son-in-law's birthday. So we have a TV. Then we have this king-size bed. And over here we have the closet with shelves and a safe to put your stuff in. And then down below you have two soft close drawers. And over here, there is a phone and there is a light that has a plug and it's a USB. You can turn the lights on and off. Got a couple shelves down there. You can put your CPAP machine over there. Full-length mirror. Check your outfit in the morning. You got hooks. You can always put your hat on there. On this side, again, you have a light, USB, and a plug. And this is all hanging space. As we move on down, nice couch. The desk area has a lighted mirror. And then you have two plugs in European and another third plug, USBs. Nice desk area, has a chair. He got a birthday cake. He did the birthday where you buy the decorations and everything. They bought a cup. So this has a hairdryer. Menus, nice soft closed drawers. So as you go down, they're all about the same size. In here is going to be your refrigerator / cooler. It's not really that cold. If you have insulin or something and you need it cool, just ask for a medical fridge. And then as we go out here, we have a boardwalk balcony. So there are two chairs and a little table. And you can look down to where the Aqua show is. There's some slides. Over here they have the carousel. So one deck up is the windjammer. And because we have the 3 rooms, they opened up the balcony so we can go between all our rooms. I'll just take you through one more time. Oh, I gotta show you the bathroom. So the light switch is on the outside. Open the door. You have your little cocoon bathroom, which on this verse, like Jewel and stuff, these are bigger. We have the toilet, sink with counter space. There's storage underneath. You have 3 shelves. So that is my tour. This is deck 14, 417 is the stateroom. And this is on Utopia of the Seas and we're on the President's Cruise right now. So if you liked my video, please give it a like and a subscribe. I really appreciate it and it would really help my channel grow. Bye.